to bring you this very simple and easy crock-pot chili recipe, vegan style. It's basically just a bean chili, but we've got a couple of really special ingredients to make it extremely tasty. Now, the thing that I like about crock-pot chili is you put it in, it takes maybe 15 minutes prep work, and it's done in 4 hours, 5 hours. We use a programmable crock pot, which I highly recommend. We have the Crock-Pot brand. We've used a Hamilton, which works really well too, but it's worth it. And I know the Instant Pot is really popular and has been popular for a while, but we use a big Crock-Pot and it takes up a lot of storage space, so I really don't want another big thing to store in the kitchen, so we just stick with the Crock-Pot. All right, let me show you what we put in the Crock-Pot, or in the chili. We've got in the chili some mushrooms, 1 yellow pepper, you could use any color, 1 jalapeno, we're gonna dice up this onion, some garlic, you could use this minced garlic, it's okay. Got 2 cans of stewed tomatoes, pinto beans, black beans, kidney beans, tomato paste. We're gonna use 2 cups of the marinara, and then here are our spices. So instead of using an oil of oregano, you could just use dried oregano or fresh. This is ground cumin, chili powder, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Let's get started. And that's it. So we're just gonna stir it all up, cook it on low for 4 to 5 hours. If you don't want extremely chunky chili, then I highly recommend chopping the stewed tomatoes and the vegetables pretty fine. But if you like it really chunky, then you can just leave them as is. All right, we're gonna set the timer and check back in 4 hours. So we're gonna add a little bit more liquid. We've got this organic vegetable stock. One other thing to note, we did not add salt, the stewed tomatoes and the marinara sauce, although we're using the no salt added from Trader Joe's. The vegetable stock, all of that's got sodium in it, and so we want this to be heart healthy. So we don't recommend adding salt. You can always salt it later if you want. But Raymond, what did you say you put? 2 cups?
2 cups of broth.
All right, set it and forget it.